The key to the Meek Maze reel is you only got 2 beats in the music, bump, bump, and it starts. So we're going to do it with the music so you can see. There's no ready, go. The music tells you ready, go. Start with a rocking chair. Fancy double. Rocking chair down the line. Run. Basic. Scuff touch turn. And a fancy double. Run 4. Strum. Karate turn. Run 4. Strum. Strum. Karate. Rocking chair down the line. Scuff touch. Fancy double. Rocking chair, run down the line. And a fancy double. Hard B, run 4. Strum. Karate. Run 4. Strum. Karate. Shuffle. Shuffle. Here's your heel rock. Into the time. Basics. Triple. Heel rock. Time. Basics. Triple. And you're back to the shuffle. All the way around. Heel rock. Time. Basics. Triple. Heel rocker. Into the time. Basics. Triple. Back to the beginning. Rocking chair. Scuff. Fancy. Rocking chair down the line. Scuff touch. Fancy double. Run 4. Strum. Karate. Run. Karate. Rocking chair. Scuff touch. Scuff touch. Fancy. Run. Run 4. Karate. 2 steps. That's it.